I'm about to share with you how you can start your own supplement business today. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm super excited about this one. This is like my thing right here. I'm gonna share with you a way that you can start your own fitness supplement brand, and how to do it fairly inexpensively. Because if you know anything about starting a supplement brand, anything like that, it costs a lot of money. It is. You got to buy inventory. You need a place to store inventory. You need a nice little marketing budget. It's a lot that goes into it. Just before you even make any sales of a product, you have to come out thousands of dollars, right? That's like a known fact. But this company that I just came across, and why I'm doing this video, because I just got off their webinar. Actually, it's like a half-hour webinar explaining this. I'm like, yo, this would be cool on my channel to talk about, right? Because this company called Rocktomic, they basically offer a several different packages for people who are interested in starting their own fitness brand and selling supplements and also CBD products, right? They have a setup where you pay a monthly membership, right? And it allows you to create your own products and sell your products on your own website, or you can use Shopify or whatever you want. And you actually can have your own brand, right? Just like you see all these companies out here, Optimum Nutrition or Nutritech, Muscle Tech, all these different companies. You can have your own business, guys. And the cheapest plan that I've seen is, I believe, like $60 a month. That's it. And then I think the highest was 157. I think 150 something like a month. And you have the capability that, like I said, have all of your branding. You can be selling your own protein, your own pre-workout energy drinks, your own CBD line. You can have all this stuff with your brand. Like, that's so cool, because like a year ago, you have to have, at least 10, 15 grand to even think about starting your own supplement brand. And I mean, that's on a very, 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 very low end, right? So this, you can literally get started if there's something you into. Now, guys, a lot of times people jump at opportunities because they sound great. And this actually does sound great, especially if you're into fitness, and you don't have to be a personal trainer or nothing like that to have your own to have your own supplement business. You don't have to be that, but you should have an interest in fitness. You should have that entrepreneurial spirit, right? I think this could be great for somebody like that. But guys, if you go over to Rocktomic and everything, check them out, and you do it, and you join the program, you get all excited because it just sounds good to have your own, your own brand. You could be successful with this. I definitely believe it. But guys, be prepared. If you join this for your own sake, be ready to work. Be ready to, like, this is your business. This is your brand. You got to look as if you're competing with big supplement companies. That's how you have to go into it. So be prepared to, have a little bit of marketing budget. Like, how are you going to promote your business? You need to understand this stuff up front. Are you going to have a YouTube channel and, provide, YouTube videos and content, about your products and stuff like that? Are you going to advertise on Facebook? Are you going to advertise, do YouTube ads? All of these things you're going to really want to think about before you get going, because these are the things that's going to make your fitness supplement brand successful, right? So if you're ready to, like, do that and really focus and even get you a little team behind you, necessarily you don't need one for this opportunity. You really don't. But just be ready to grind. But if you ever wanted your own supplement business, this can be it. Like, this, you literally can have one, like, start the process right after you watch this video. You can, start the process, guys. So super excited to bring this information to you. I'm not sure if you heard of it or not. Maybe you seen ads for Rocktomic and wasn't sure, what the little webinar was. But that's pretty much what it is, guys. Now, when it comes to the variety of products that you can actually have and be branded to you, I've seen proteins, pre-workouts, I believe like BCAA supplements, CBD, supplement that can be branded to you, and I believe they have a couple other things that can be branded to you as well. But guys, this could be, like I said, if you decide to jump into this, look at it as a business, a straight up home business that you can run and make a lot of money if you put that work in. So my take on it is this could be a great opportunity. Only negative that I could possibly see out of the opportunity is like, you know, you could always change up in time, but it's like, I don't know how many flavors they got of the protein and stuff like that. You might be a person that want to offer, 5 different flavors. I only seen, to my knowledge, like 2 different flavors, like vanilla and like a chocolate. Um, I'm not sure the variety of like different flavors and stuff with some of their products. That's something that you can find out if you decide to pursue this or not, but that's kind of whatever. But like I said, in my opinion, this could be a great opportunity for a fitness entrepreneur or just somebody who wants their own home-based business, right? So check that out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you check out Rocktomic, comment below. Let me know if you join, and let me know what you think about the opportunity. All right. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.